Hello. Today, we will learn to install modpacks in your Minecraft Java server. Click on your server, scroll down and go to the Advanced tab. Under the Configuration section, choose your edition and version of the mod loader you will be using. For this example, we're using all the Forge 10 modpack. Click on Format and install different edition. Now go back to the Console tab and start your server. Till the server starts, let's download the modpack from CurseForge website. We suggest CurseForge or Modern site to download modpacks, as they are safer compared to other sites. Scroll down until you see Minecraft server files category. Then click on it. Then click on the download button and let it download. Until it's downloaded, let's return to the game panel. Stop the server and go to the File Manager tab, under the Management section. Now, delete the config and the mods folder, as we will upload our downloaded modpack. Open File Manager and decompress or extract the zip folder. Open the folder and it should look something similar, like shown in the video. Now, zip the config and mods folder. Now, return to the game panel and upload the zipped files. We recommend you to upload using FileZilla. Tutorial is available on our channel. Now, decompress the zip files by clicking on the three dots beside the config and mods files. Now return to the Console tab and start your server. You may see a lot of red and yellow errors, but it's nothing to worry about. If the server crashes, please open a ticket on our website or Discord for support. Like and subscribe to get notified every time we upload a tutorial.